All right, next up are my tubs full of pottery. These weigh about 25, 30 pounds a piece, so they're pretty easy to handle. I mean, if you can handle a bag of clay, you can handle one of these. I like these tubs that have locking lids, so I don't have to worry about lids falling off while things are being transported or blowing off in the wind at the actual show. These range in price pretty greatly. You can get cheap ones for 10 bucks that work really well. You can get really expensive ones for $30 or $40. I did measure my car to figure out what size of tub is going to fit in there the best. I got this car in 2015. I had to get new tubs because the tubs I was using in my previous vehicle did not fit right. So it was a lot of time going to Target and other stores and measuring out and trying to find the right size tubs. These are packed, pretty scary looking actually, but it's actually quite durable. In the bottom I put big pots first, and then I just start stacking more things in using a layer or two of this foam in between each piece. Everything's nestled in there, nothing's touching clay to clay, there's foam in between everything, everything fits. And I almost never have anything break. I think I've had maybe 3 or 4 pieces broken over, you know, a dozen years of doing shows. Some people like to have a tub for each type of pot. They'll have a tub that's just full of mugs, a tub that's just full of plates, a tub that's just for bowls. You end up having to have a lot more containers then. You probably have to get smaller containers and bigger containers. I like to just put everything into the same size containers mixed in there. My booth is set up in a way that I can display a lot of work, so I don't necessarily need a lot of extra tubs sitting around to replenish my display. And we have space limitations in the car, so the fewer tubs I can use, the more efficiently I can pack, the better. All right, so this is going to go in. Again, heavy stuff towards the front. So heavier tubs are going to go up towards the front here. We're going to start right there. And we'll get a couple in up here. And then the rest are going to come in from the back. You can see I have this moving blanket in here, and it's helping protect the sides of my car so it doesn't get too beat up.